Alrighty, good afternoon, YouTube, or good morning, I should say. Whatever, time zones are different in every country, every state, every region of the world. We're getting this thing all buttoned up here. They set the auger Friday when it was raining and stuff. They set the auger. Had to cut a little bit out of the roof up there. Had to cut that for that motor to set up there, and they had to cut the sheeting off the side of the building here for this auger to go up, because that's the only way it's going to work. And they had to turn the bin a little bit. You guys remember that light up there, right there, tip of my finger, that black guy up there? That's a window for when corn gets up there. You better be shutting the auger off going up to it, so you don't make a mess. They had to turn out a little bit to get that boot on the bottom to come up exactly where it needs to be for up there at the top of the dryer. And they set the legs last Monday, today being the 9th of March, February, or 9th of March, Monday. They had to set the legs on that a month ago, or a week ago. Get that right. So they're just going to finish up today. I don't know what they're going to do I know they got to put the computer in, but I don't know when that's going to happen. So, yeah. So, for those of you that haven't the slightest clue what a dryer is, basically, it's like a or a clothes dryer. Is the only way I can put it. This is the smallest continuous flow dryer. Now, what continuous flow means is that you can keep running, it'll stay hot inside, and it just keeps running corn through all the time. Whereas a batch dryer, it fills up, stops filling, dries for like, I don't know, half or an hour or so, depending on the temperature that you want it to dry at, and then it unloads, and it's just different ways of doing it. Whereas this continuous flow, I think it'll be a little bit better for us. I don't know. Still think we'll have to wait on the wet bin because it's bigger than the dryer. So we'll have to still wait on that, maybe a day or so, depending on how things go, which we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. And there, I think you can see a little bit better what I meant by they did cut the part of the building out. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.